Hello, this is John K again, and I am in the Green Island. I was sitting there wondering which is the next adventure to bring you guys, where's the next place to visit here in Kuwait, and someone just came with a good idea. Let's go to the Green Island.
Green Island, guys!
Yeah, I'm joined by beautiful lady Jess, and yeah, we are in the Green Island.
Green Island.
Yeah.
Support our brother, subscribe and share this video, make it go viral.
Yeah. I was checking this place in the Google and I saw it's one of the landmarks of Kuwait and it's one of the places you should visit here in Kuwait. So I wondered, why not come here and check it out and see what it is all about here in the Green Island. And without wasting time, let's go and check the Green Island.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go. When we're in the entrance, let's check if this place truly resembles its own name, the Green Island, and why it's called the Green Island. So let's check it out.
Guys, they are real. I thought there was just some plastic things put on display, but man, this is real. This is real. They have life, man. Wow.
Yeah.
1 point.
1 point. Actually, the place is huge, and because it's our first time to come here, we don't know where we'll start first. So we'll start with the staircase we're just seeing in front of us. And yeah, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah, so guys, we are at the top of the stairs, and now here we found some breathtaking stairs and some structures. Yeah. So let's go check them out.
Let's go.
We start with the stairs. Staircase to heaven.
Staircase to heaven.
Yeah, so guys, we're on the highest point of the Green Island.
The Green Island, guys.
Yeah, it's like building a tower or something. So yeah, the view here is just majestical.
Spectacular.
Spectacular. I don't know what name to give it.
They said they didn't like when they said that the higher you go, the cooler it becomes.
Yeah.
Guys, the breeze here is breathtaking, man. You want to stay here forever. You don't want to leave.
Yeah.
And then the ambience is so quiet, guys. So kama kuna mtu anafanya yoga, meditation, this is the right spot,
Yeah.
guys.
If you want to do some meditation and yoga and stuff, this is the best place. So
Best spot.
yeah, we'll be taking you to all the places here in Green Island if we can, because it's a big one. Quite, we did not find anyone here. Maybe giving you a view, and inside this stuff here, there's something surprising. We'll show you.
Adventure.
Adventure. Okay, let's see what's cool about the Green Island. Okay, let's go.
So guys, tag along with me. Let's find out what's beneath here, guys. It's like I'm walking inside a cave.
Yeah.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Sounds like a horror movie, guys. This is so scary.
Unbelievable! Unbelievable! Green Island, Green Island offers green swimming pool.
This light at the end of the tunnel. Well, it was not as scary as I thought. See? Light at the end of the tunnel. Green light, guys. Breathtaking, spectacular. For once I thought it was scared. I was in a movie, in a horror movie. And then boom, light.
So guys, unfortunately we came here during Ramadan time and we have to fast. We cannot drink water, it's so hot.
No, what?
I don't feel like continuing, but we must show you the place, we must show you. the Green Island, at least. We are the only ones here. Only the two of us. No one else here. Only the staff in the entrance. We don't know any other place to go. We'll try to go.
The playground.
Yeah, let's start with that one. I saw some building there.
This is a no-go zone.
So guys, apart from the ambience, the look, and some recreational fields we found here, like this one here, I don't know, because it's Ramadan, maybe we're the only ones here. We did not find a lot. But there's not much here in the Green Island. It's green though, but not that much. Maybe if we have friends who can play football in a field same like this one for children like this, and not much. Jess is already tired.
Guys, this place is huge. You need to drive around. You can't just walk.
Yeah. My goodness, I'm tired. I'm tired. Man, it's so hot.
It's hot.
Only the two of us in the whole park.
I didn't know it was going to get this hot.
Yeah, and
I was wearing something.
this park only for making photographs. If you have a lover, you can come and chill. And there are some jet ski there. If you have money, you can rent one jet ski and go around the summertime. Summertime is here for more adventures. Next one, we might just take you to the jet ski.
Jet ski, baby.
Yeah, let's go. Try to rent some car. At least we do one or two things interesting here. This park is so hot. That's it, guys. We just came from the Green Island.
Green Island.
Yeah, it's green, but not that much green, so.
But it's beautiful. We love the ambience and the fact that you can, come here as a group, as a family.
Yeah.
It's a nice place to just like unwind.
Yeah.
It's fun. Also, you can bring food. What else?
Yeah, but don't make a mistake we just made, but coming here during Ramadan time.
Yeah, guys, we just came during Ramadan, and it happens just, unfortunately, it's just the two of us. So
Yeah. Yeah, because during Ramadan you cannot drink anything. It's so hot. It's summertime.
yeah.
My goodness.
We respect that actually
Yeah.
to all our Muslim brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
But I think the right time to come here is around 4 p.m.
Yeah.
in the evening.
I think I think now in Kuwait, if you want to make any adventure to visit any tourist destination now, it's around 4 until 12, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, there were some cars there we could not ride. So disappointing. Oh my goodness.
Next time, inshallah.
Yeah, and for us we like adventurous things. As for me, I like crazy things, scary things, something like jet skis. Yeah, but until next time, guys.
Next time, guys.
Yeah,
John K.
subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, don't make a mistake of coming to Green Island during Ramadan and during summertime. At least come 4 p.m. Thank you.